So in this video, I'm going to discuss line jumps. So what happens is when you get a drawing that gets kind of complex, you'll typically have lines that will cross over each other, and it can get a little confusing. So you want to know where the line jumps are, so the drawing is a little more readable. Go to Design. There's these connectors here. There's Show Line Jumps. That's currently selected. If I didn't select that, you wouldn't see the line jumps. So what I'm going to do is just show you an example here. Take connector. Say I had this port here over on the Catalyst 9300. I want to connect it over to this router here. That port there, for example. Go pointer tool. You notice that's the line jump, so you want that for readability. And the same feature works with logical drawings. If that wasn't there, if I deselected the line jumps, what would happen? You'd have a line run into this one, and you wouldn't know if this line is actually stopping here and going north to the this router, or if it's continuing on to the other router. So you really want to make sure that's enabled. And that concludes the lecture.